Hey everyone, it's John Paul.
And Rishi, and it's our first PHE project. PHP.
PHP,
Nice.
let's go.
When I began this
Just
project, my
a
goal was to
beginner,
work out and
when
to drink more
I
water in order to be
started
healthier.
this, I wanted
So I started with the
to
PHP
get,
of working
get a
out
wedding
for
body.
about 30 minutes each day and drinking 64 ounces of water per day and tracking any progress on waterlogged. I wanted a wedding body for my wedding coming up next year. I wanted to look like Blake Lively as she goes down the runway. In order to do that, I need to wake up at 6 a.m. every morning and work out for about 30 minutes every day. But I quickly found out that it was harder than I thought to reach my goal. As I went to sleep every night, my mind would be racing and I'd find it really difficult to fall asleep. In the end, it was really hard to wake up in the morning in order to work out at 6 a.m. At first I was discouraged, but then I came up with a plan. Restorative yoga. The idea was I would do restorative yoga every night before bed, which would allow me to sleep, which in turn would allow me to work out. So I went back to the first point. I revised my PHP to doing 15 minutes of restorative yoga before bed. I nixed the water, and I started seeing immediate results. I could do yoga, and then sleep like a baby, and then work out. And pretty soon I was looking like this guy. Okay, just kidding. That's a little ambitious. But I am feeling a lot stronger, and my new PHP will be focused on sleep hygiene and working out about 3 times a week.
So for my PHP, I wanted to get back into shape and gain the psychological benefits from working out. So I wanted to work out 7 days a week for 30 minutes. So I created this spreadsheet to keep track of my progress. For me, I started right off the bat missing day one, and so I made some adjustments because I realized that I would get hungry right after class and I would not want to go to the gym on an empty stomach. And so with Rishi's help, I started bringing snacks to class, and that definitely helped. I also started wearing my gym clothes to class, and that helped me basically not convince myself or talk myself out of going to the gym. I also reached out to friends through Facebook. One of my friends actually made a Facebook group, and we reached out to each other and held each other accountable in going to the gym. With those 2 changes, my gym attendance went up. However, I was only going to the gym about 4 to 5 times a week and not going 7 times that I had hoped for. So by week 3, by the end of week 3, I realized that I needed to change my goal if I actually wanted to accomplish it and have a realistic goal. So I decided to basically scale back and start going 4 to 5 times a week. And this will be my PHP moving forward because I think I underestimated how challenging it can be to go to the gym 7 times a week without the rest and with the busy schedule I have, especially as the quarter progresses and gets busier. And I'm definitely excited about the gains that are to come.